Hi, I'm Christine Webster-Hansen, Dean of the Humanities Institute at Brookdale. This is where students come to experience what it means to be human, in mind, body, spirit, and emotion, where they celebrate the beauty of art and the depths of culture, all while gaining the skills that employers want, the ability to solve problems, think critically, and feel empathetically. Here we offer an Associate of Arts degree in Humanities, which is perfect for students who are undecided in their majors, but who want an education in a diverse array of subjects in one highly transferable degree. We also offer degrees in fine arts, interior design, graphic design, game design, digital animation, photography, theater, architecture, music, and music technology. We have courses in international programs, literature, and gender studies. Here, students can learn to speak and write articulately. We offer an intellectually invigorating environment with a committed faculty who are here to give you a once-in-a-lifetime educational experience. So don't miss out. Enroll today. We can't wait to meet you.
To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.